All right, so what we can also do to make our game a little bit more interesting is we could add a timer so that the player only actually has 10 seconds to catch as many ghosts as possible. All right, so what we are going to do is we're going to create a new variable called time. Again, for all sprites, and we want our player to see the time. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to add a timer to the stage to give our player only 10 seconds to catch a ghost. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and see if you can get your timer to start at 10 seconds and then count down every second, all right? And then the game should stop when the timer gets to 0. So pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. And so to make this happen, I'm just going to move my code around to make it a little bit more accessible. Now you can get rid of these at any time, but I've just got it here so I can test things, all right? So we are going to, on start, make sure that we set our timer variable to 10 seconds, all right? And then we are going to add in a variable, a loop, and we are going to repeat the time, which is going to be changing. So we're going to change my time, but it's not 1, it'll be -1 because remember it's counting down, all right? And we are going to change that by 1 second every second, all right? So we need to put in a control of 1 second. And then we are going to repeat this until the time equals 0, all right? So if I was to just go, wait 1 second, change time. Oh, hang on, we need to actually start the time at 10. So at the moment, it's repeating until, and there's no actual condition in there, all right? And you can see that the timer is ticking down, but it continues going. So let's stop that. We need to put in a condition here. So to put in a condition, we go to our operators and we go when the time equals 0. All right. So we're going to pop that in here. And now we just put in here is our time variable. All right. So let's put in our time variable. So what it's saying that we're going to set our time to 10 seconds. All right, so check, yes, that works. And then we are going to repeat that our time is changed -1 by -1 second every 1 second until the time equals 0. All right, so let's check to see if that loop is working first. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Cool. All right. So that works and it stops. Okay. But then if we actually play the whole thing, now let's quickly, we've got 10 seconds to play the game and see how many ghosts we can do. All right. Yay. Cool. This is easy. I've got this. All right. Hopefully I get 10. Oh, hang on. My time's run out, but it's still going. Oh, all right. So there's something wrong here, right? So what do? We have to go into our events, our control, and we need to make sure that once our time equals 0, everything is going to stop. So let's try that again. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Yay. All right. Pause your video, make sure that you've got that up and running.